morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade today. Starting with Coal India, the company has reported its Q4 FY21 numbers last evening, and the revenue as well as the profits of the company seem to be in line with the ET Now expectations, while the margins are slightly better than what the street as well as ET Now was expecting. So overall, yes, the revenues have come in, have declined by 3.1% and come in at 26,700 crores, while the profits of the company have also seen a marginal decline of 1.1% to be precise, and has come in at 4,587 crores. So yes, margins and revenues in line, while revenues as profits in line, while the margins are slightly better, coming in at 23.9% versus 23.2%. Now, the lower e-auction is something that has overall hurt the margins of the company. It could have been better, but that is something that has impacted the margins of the company. So margins coming in at 23.9% versus 23.2%. So surely let's keep an eye out on Coal India today at 9:15 a.m. Moving forward, we do have IFB Industries, which also posted its numbers. And let's not forget, last year this time the March quarter was a bit tough for most companies, and so it seems like a higher set of numbers, but still a decent number coming in from IFB Industries, a growth of 63% coming in terms of the top line, and it's an 825 crore revenue which the company has posted. Also, the company has actually reported a profit this time of 7.7 crores versus a loss last year of 20 crores, and this is mainly on the back of the revenge buying also that the consumers could have seen coming in also. So that is also overall something that has aided the company. Moving forward, obviously ADANI group stocks and focus. Yesterday we had seen them tanking in trade because of certain reports coming in about the accounts being freezed, but a clarification did come in from the company yesterday post-market asked, where the company is saying, as well as the NSDL also said, that the Cresta Fund, Albula Invt Fund, as well as the Apms Invt Fund of the demat accounts status are active. So that is something that we should keep an eye out on today, coming in post the clarification. ADANI group stocks could be in focus today. Then we do have Microfinance institutions as well as NBFCs, which could be in focus after RBI has actually come out with RBI has a consultative document which has come out, which proposes measures to harmonize the regulatory framework for various regulated lenders in the microfinance sector, as well as the document proposes that there should be no prepayment penalty and no requirement of collateral as well. So other than that, it's also proposing to align the pricing guidelines for NBFCs and MFIs with the guidelines for NBFCs. So surely let's keep an eye out on that as well. So microfinance companies and NBFCs could be in focus today. Lastly, we do have JP Morgan, which has come out with a note on Tata Steel. So Tata Steel could be in focus as JP Morgan has maintained an overweight stance with a target price of 1,610 rupees per share. They believe the EU safeguard proposal is better than what they were expecting, as well as Tata Steel is quite well placed in the upcycle and has been focusing on debt reduction as well. And they see a likelihood of Tata Steel's EBITDA over the next 3 years also setting in quite well, and they believe Tata Steel is set for an ideal candidate for re-rating as well. So surely let's keep an eye out on all these stocks today at 9:15 a.m.